14th of Feb. Yet another year, another trip. It's 11:30. Going to Singapore. I will probably reach there by 5 o'clock in the morning. I was so excited to go to Singapore that I started doing my skincare, because skincare on the flight slaps differently, right? And then I started watching The Little Mermaid, because most of my activities in the Philippines were underwater. Then I had a standard Indian meal, which was quite decent. And I landed at the Singapore airport only to find out that Singapore's Changi Airport isn't just an airport, it's a destination within itself. With just a few hours to spare on my layover, I set out to explore some of the coolest attractions. And trust me, this might be the best airport in the world. So I am out and about here in Singapore, and my next connecting flight is at 11 o'clock. So it's 7:30 and I have got yet another couple of hours. I am going to witness the beautiful sunrise, that's the sun, and I'm going to explore the airport and take you along with me. So yeah, I took a nice nap, I had a wholesome meal, and I finished a movie in the flight. So yeah, not too tired, but yes. It's been 5 minutes and I am already lost, because this airport is huge and I'm trying to find where to board for my next. There is a garden. I should go first. I should figure out where the flight thing is, but I see a garden there. So yeah. Parts of the airport felt like a luxury mall with luxury brands, and then there was also a movie theater where you can watch movies for free. I looked up for information about my flight and then headed to my first stop, the Butterfly Garden. Yes, you heard that right. An actual tropical garden filled with hundreds of butterflies right inside the airport. Isn't that crazy? I am at the Butterfly Garden. I've had a butterfly pet for a day that I hung out with. Let's see if any butterfly lands on me. And a butterfly did land on me, and every time a butterfly lands on me, I feel like a Disney princess. It's the world's first butterfly garden in an airport, and stepping in feels like you've entered a hidden rainforest. If you have a layover, this is an absolute must visit. Located in Terminal 3, this 2-story sanctuary is home to over 1,000 butterflies with 40 different species. The garden is carefully designed to mimic a rainforest habitat, complete with exotic plants, feeding stations, and even a 6-meter tall waterfall. As you walk through, you'll see butterflies up close, watch them feed on fresh fruit. And if you're lucky, you'll witness cocoons transforming into butterflies inside the emergence enclosure. This isn't just an airport attraction, it's a peaceful escape from the hustle of travel. Here you'll find species like the common mormon, known for its striking black and white patterns, and the lime butterfly, famous for its bright yellow and black wings. Keep an eye out for the great egg fly, a butterfly that mimics toxic species to avoid predators. Saw butterflies fluttering, and it's so cute. My day is made already. It's like so many butterflies and different kinds of butterflies. Good start to the day. Whether you have a short layover or just need another breather, this hidden gem is a must visit before your next flight. Oh, a tip from me would be to visit the gardens in the morning, because at night you might not see as many butterflies. You can also visit the cactus garden, home to over 100 species of cacti and desert plants from all around the world. And they also have a rooftop bar right near the cactus garden. So now I got done with the butterfly garden, and I am going to the Jewel to check out the iconic waterfall. But yeah, Singapore definitely did not disappoint me. They have this, it's like a whole state The airport is a whole state in itself. It is all train systems. Like wow. So I could not see the jewel because it is outside the airport, and I have just 2 hours, and then I have to get a visa. So no jewel today. I'll probably go watch another movie or chill near the place where there was koi pond, the koi fish.
An airport with a koi pond only at Changi. These fancy fish aren't just for show. They are believed to bring good luck and serious chill vibes. You can even feed them and watch them wiggle up for a snack. So before your flight, swing by Terminal 3 and say hi to the happiest fish in transit. And if you do get lost at the Grand Airport, don't worry because they have virtual assistants to guide you. But this is just a silly coin machine.
Here's this thing. I went to the butterfly garden. From there, you can also shower in the airport, which is great. I think I might go to the crystal garden, and then I will go to the koi pond and the other garden.
And then I headed to the crystal garden. For some reason, I was expecting there to be crystals, like actual rocks. But there were just a bunch of glass figures that mimicked a flower. They had some really pretty flowers where I took a bunch of videos. And now it was time to take a SkyTrain to board my next flight.
So from the airport, here I am. I have to take a train, a SkyTrain, to catch my other flight.
The airport's SkyTrain is a fully automated free transit system connecting terminals 1, 2 and 3 in just 4 minutes. Operating every 4 to 7 minutes, it offers a quick, scenic and hassle-free way to navigate the airport efficiently. Singapore is the kind of country that I imagine a modern society to look like. Like this is what I envision a person from the 1700s would imagine the future to look like. Isn't it so futuristic? I was just enjoying the views until I saw something that was so unexpected. I did not expect to see the jewel, but there it was. Boy oh boy was it so pretty. Only in Singapore can an airport layover feel like a vacation. Welcome to Jewel Changi, where you'll find the world's tallest indoor waterfall, stunning gardens and even a bouncing skynet. Forget boring airports. This one's an adventure.
And another flight, and then another cab, and then another ferry, and then I finally reached my location. So yeah, this was a quick tour. I saw the jewel. I didn't expect to see the jewel, and it was very pretty. I will get better videos next time for sure.